It's me, MamaMimi.com.
Today, we're going to the city of Cape Canaveral water park. Yeah! The city, like a town, like the roof, the tops of the houses. This is house. So town, because there's a lot of roofs. The city of Cape Canaveral, Cape-Canaveral.
Go to MAMAMI.com for more resources, more information, and toys that Mama Mimi likey. Mama Mimi likey, Mimi likey.